Good morning, children. Take out the page 106. So, we will continue with the lesson. Air is useful to us. So, now we come to the part atmospheric oxygen for burning. So, atmosphere is the blanket of air which surrounds us or the earth. So, oxygen of the air supports burning. Oxygen is useful for burning. Air contains mainly oxygen and nitrogen. So, the composition of air is mainly nitrogen and oxygen, though it consists other gases in lesser amount. Air contains mainly oxygen and nitrogen. Oxygen helps in burning, but nitrogen does not. So, oxygen of the air helps in burning, but nitrogen gas does not support burning. This can be shown by the following activity. Now, we can show that oxygen helps in burning. This can be shown by performing an experiment. So, air is mainly composed of oxygen, nitrogen and other gases. And oxygen it supports or it helps in burning. But nitrogen does not help in burning. This can be shown by performing the following experiment. Now, take out page 107. Now, we can perform this following activity, that is activity 2. Take a trough of water. Now, this vessel, it is known as a trough. This vessel, it is an open mouth vessel and you have to fill this with water. Place a bell jar in it. So, this is known as a bell jar. So, you have to take a trough of water and a bell jar in it. Make sure the level of water inside the jar and outside should be the same. So, the level of water inside the jar and outside should be the same. So, first we have to take a trough of water, open mouth vessel, and inside it we need a bell jar which is overturned. So, this bell jar, the water inside and outside should be the same amount. So, the level of water should be the same as you can see in the picture. Now, mark the bell jar in equal 5 parts. So, mark it in equal 5 parts by using or pasting a paper scale. So, have to fix the paper scale. Now, a candle is in the center of the trough and light it. So, now we have to take a candle and place it inside the... First, we have to place this candle inside the trough of water. Then turn the bell jar over it. Light it and turn the bell jar over it. Cover the candle quickly with the jar again. What do you observe? What do we can see? What can we see? So, when we take the trough of water and place a bell jar in it, after that, the level of water inside and outside should be the same. And then mark the bell jar by pasting it with a paper scale so that we can see it. Now, we have to light a candle in the center of the trough and quickly turn the bell jar over it. So, what can we see? As you can see in the picture, after a few minutes, the flame of the candle, it blows off. The candle flame will go off. The water rises in the jar, occupying 1/5 of its space. So, water, first it is marked at 0 degree. After that, it rises to 1. So, do you know why? So, why did water rise in the jar, bell jar? Why did it rise? So, after a few minutes, we will see that the flame of the candle has gone off and the water level from 0 to 1 has rises. That is 1/5 of its space. It occupies the space which has been occupied previously by air. So, why does it happen? The candle burns till it consumes the oxygen present in the jar. So, oxygen which has been present inside the jar, that oxygen gas has been used up. So, as soon as the oxygen is used up, the flame of the candle goes off and the water level rises. This place the water level from 0 to 1, this level rises. Its place is occupied by the water that rises in the jar. So what happens? The space with the bell jar was not empty. It had some air inside it. So the air, that is the amount of oxygen, has been used up for burning of the candle, and the candle goes off, and this place is occupied by the water. So water level rises from 0 to 1 in the bell jar, and it occupies the space which had been earlier occupied by air. So this experiment shows that only 1/5 of the air is used in burning. So 1/5 of the air had been used in burning of the candle, and the remaining air after removal of oxygen, how much oxygen was present, has been used up for burning. So the rest of the gas which is present, it does not help in burning. So the candle flame goes off. This remaining 4/5 of the air is mainly nitrogen. This proves that the rest of the air which is present inside the bell jar, it is 4/5 of the air, but it is mainly nitrogen. So it does not support burning. So the candle flame goes off. So this experiment shows that 1/5 of the air is used in burning, and the remaining, which is not oxygen gas, but this 4/5 of the part of the air is nitrogen, which does not support burning. So the flame of the candle goes off. So this experiment proves it. We'll stop here for today, children. Thank you.